Unlock seamless, secure payments with your Revolut virtual card, your secret weapon for online and in-person transactions. First, open your Revolut app. You'll want to be on the main screen where you can see your account balances from here. Tap on the card's icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen, often represented by a card symbol. Once you're in the card section, look for an option to add new card or a plus icon. Tapping this will initiate the process of creating a new card. You'll then be presented with different card types. Select the option for virtual card. This is crucial for creating the digital card we're focusing on today. After selecting virtual card, you'll likely see a confirmation screen. Simply tap to confirm your choice. Revolut will then generate your unique virtual card details. And there it is, your new virtual card. You'll see a unique 16-digit card number, an expiry date, and a CVV code. These are the details you'll use for your payments. For online purchases, simply enter these details just as you would with a physical card. At the checkout, enter the card number, expiry date, and the CVV code into the respective fields. For in-person payments, if you've added your Revolut virtual card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, just hold your phone or smartwatch near the contactless terminal. It's that easy and secure. Using a virtual card is a fantastic way to protect your primary card details, manage your spending, and add an extra layer of security to your online and offline transactions. Enjoy the convenience.